Yes, no fan. Oh. Are you on?
3.
No go close.
What you doing?
Fell in the elevator. Hobby.
Oh, okay.
It's freezing out though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one. So many encounters today. 3 works. These are cabs.
Me.
Sorry.
Okay, I guess 3.
Oh, look what it has.
You didn't see the hanging lantern?
So now. Have a basement.
I don't hear it.
Oh, you want to hear it? Oh. I didn't even have to press anything. What the hell?
Did press it.
Oh, did
It
you?
does not work. This one has the filter.
Jeez. Yeah, he's
Oh dear. This thing's in lovely condition.
Do it traditional. Janice phone.
ADA. Alright.
Oh, yeah, that started again. Where's the machine room?
It's around the corner. Yeah, right there.
All right, send it up. Nice startup it has. All right, that's it.